How to print from Canva. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can print from Canva. So let's get into it. So let's assume that you have a document, a invoice, or whatever it is that you want to print, and you want to know how you can directly print from Canva. Let's get into it. So let's assume that these QR codes, all right, I want to go ahead and print out these QR codes and I want to hand them out to people. How do I do this? Pretty simple. You can either go ahead and download an application. There is an app for that, or you can come over here onto Canva, click on share, click on download, and then from download over here at the top you will see you have file type. Click on file type and you can go with PDF print. There's also PDF standard, but if you want to print, this is the best for printing. Over here you will also have including notes or flattened PDFs, crop marks and bleeds, so you can go ahead and mess around with it. You can even set a color profile as well, and over here you can select all the pages that you want to print. Click on done, and then you click on download, and once it's downloaded you can go ahead and use your printer to go ahead and print your files. So keep them over here, download them, and now you can go ahead and print these files from your printer. And there you have it. That's how you can use Canva and how you can print from Canva. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.